one of my passions has always been cars and like how they work and being able to make them properly work, being roadworthy. Paso Community College, and they have an amazing facility here. I mean, like, this is our brand new facility, and like we have so much extra things. It makes learning a lot more fun, and I was just happy to come here.
Soldier in the National Guard, and my job there is being a truck driver, but I found out I enjoyed working on my truck a lot more than I enjoyed driving it. So it's been a really good learning environment. The facility is great, so we're getting really hands-on job training. My classmates have been really accepting of me. I am the only female in the program, so that's been great. I appreciate them for that.